Here we'll be putting on stud posts onto the backing of our earrings. First we'll poke a hole through a stabilizer that we cut out. This is where our stud post will lie. Poke it through, and then we want to glue the back end of this and attach it to the back of our beadwork. If super glue won't work for this, you can use a more jelly glue like tacky glue or E6000. We then poke through our leather, make sure that our beadwork covers the leather, and we just put a small amount of this glue to help secure it. We'll wait a few minutes for it to dry so that it's not moving when we're going to do our edges. Cut out as close as we can, match our beadwork. For this we'll use a double thread just to make it more secure, as we don't want our edges to rip off. Secure the thread, then we'll add one bead. Coming up through the bottom of the bead, our thread should be facing outwards like this. Pick up our bigger bead and our smaller bead. Where that second bead would end, you poke through the back, coming up through the front by the banding. Going under this bead so your thread is facing outwards again, and tack on two smaller beads. Same process, that second smaller bead, that your thread is always facing outwards. We'll continue this until we're done the whole edge of our earring. Just remember we're working from the back to the front. Coming up through that second bead, our thread will be facing outwards. The pattern here is one big bead and a small bead, and then two smaller beads until you're at the end.